in general, it's just about the English that you speak. You have IELTS, TOEFL, and then PT is must in Australia. So you need to be very, very careful in terms of choosing, because the parameters are different when you go with IELTS. It has the written and also the computerized difference, computerized session of exam. So, and for PT, there is like a less stress in terms of comparing IELTS and PTE. I have no much idea about TOEFL because I didn't go in that area. So it is nice if you're good enough to just understand what the requirements are. It's easy to crack, and just need to have a bit of focus, because like how we generally speak, it doesn't seem like that. You need to be very precise in terms of your English. The best part of Avance is like you can start your repayment after your course is done. There's no headache of like you need to just pay after you take the disbursement. So for me, I'm just relaxed. You can say I don't have stress of my loan or something. So according to your thing, they also give you a buffer time after the course is completed. You manage to get a good job, or maybe you need some finances or savings to just settle down with. And once you're ready, you can start your repayments that way. So you have ample of time. There is nothing like you need to stress, because I've seen, I won't take the name, I've seen many people taking loans from many different places, but they don't understand that things are not very clear in the initial phases. When you take a loan, you need to be very precise, and the people who are giving you the loan needs to be very transparent in terms of like how you need to go, how are you going, how are we planning everything. So many of my friends, they take loans, but after taking disbursement, they start getting calls like you need to pay the repayment. And it's a very stressful job for a student who is planning so many things around. You need to deal with your living expenses, your daily travel, groceries, everything. And in between, if you get this trauma of like repayments, it's like very hard. Because I'll tell you a honest thing, when you move abroad, it's on your luck if you're getting a part-time, or like how you're managing everything. So it all depends. And for Avance, I'm very, very happy because I'm chill in terms of like repayments, because I know I have good people around who can just guide me. I if I have any doubts, I call Akash upfront and I just ask him, uh, Akshay sir, I'm just stuck with this. Can you help me out? And then he guides me. See, this is the whole thing. You can do this way or either that way. I'll help you in a good term. I'll just talk to the upper hand, or maybe I'll manage to do something. So you need these people, and uh, you need to be very, very good enough, fortunate, and select a good choice for yourself, whatever you do.